Hi, welcome to Joy's tutorial. Our topic for today is about implant contraceptive and the side effects to our body. Implant contraceptive. Contraceptive implants are a long-term birth control method. They're also called long-acting reversible contraception or LARC. A contraceptive implant is a flexible plastic rod about the size of a matchstick that is placed under the skin of the upper arm. The implant releases a low, steady dose of the hormone progestin. These are the benefits of implant. First is it's reversible. A care provider can remove the implant anytime you decide it's not the right for you or you want to get pregnant. Second, you don't have to think about it. You need to replace it every 3 years, but you won't have to worry about it every day or every month like other methods. Third, you're in charge of your birth control. No need to post sex or get your partner to agree to birth control. Fourth, it's estrogen-free. Methods containing estrogen can raise the risk of forming blood clots, so the implant may be a better choice for you if you want a lower risk option. Lastly, it allows a quick return to fertility. If you want to get pregnant, you can start trying as soon as the implant is removed. But contraceptive implants aren't right for everyone. Your care might suggest another birth control method if you have 1. Allergies to any parts of the implant, 2. A history of serious blood clots, heart attack or stroke, 3. Liver tumors or disease, 4. A history of breast cancer or if you might have breast cancer, 5. Bleeding outside of your typical period that hasn't been checked by a care provider. These are the implant side effects. Pain in the back or stomach area. Changes to your period. It may stop completely. This is called amenorrhea. Higher risk of non-cancerous or benign ovarian cysts. Lower sex drive, dizziness, headaches, mild insulin resistance, mood swings and depression, nausea or upset stomach, possible problems with other medicines, sore breast, vaginal soreness or dryness, and weight gain.